Japan, Izu, Jogashima, and then I'm like really terrified because first of all, it's like you're hiking and I don't have hiking shoes on, and second of all, look at that wave. See, it's creepy. Okay, so I can draw anytime right now from that big wave. Well, actually, to be honest, it might be scary, but it actually has a nice view. Honestly, look at that. Oh shoot, I think I'm gonna be wet. Woo! Well, it feels very, very nice and beautiful. Look, because first of all, the oceans, it's really clear. It's not polluted because then I don't see any garbage in here, and then I saw fishes in here really good.